YouTube has strategically expanded its short-form video offerings with the introduction of a new remix feature, allowing users to creatively modify and incorporate elements from full-length music videos into their own YouTube shorts. This move positions YouTube as a potential competitor to TikTok, especially in light of recent music licensing disputes faced by the latter platform. Users can extract audio from any music video, empowering lip-syncing trends and personalized audio experiences within their shorts. Music videos are transformed into dynamic backdrops, enabling users to seamlessly integrate their own performances for creative expression. Users can precisely select 5-second clips from music videos to enhance their shorts with specific moments or visuals. This unique feature allows for collaborative side-by-side shorts, showcasing both the user's content and the original artist's music video, fostering interactive and engaging experiences. OpenAI has introduced Sora, a groundbreaking text-to-video model capable of generating high-resolution videos up to a minute long from simple text prompts. However, unlike previous AI image and video generators, Sora's public release is being held back for crucial safety assessments. While OpenAI isn't the first to explore text-to-video technology, Sora stands out for its ability to generate lengthy, continuous videos, up to 60 seconds, rather than stitched-together frames, ensuring consistent subject representation even during temporary occlusions. This surpasses the current capabilities of similar models from Meta, Google, and Runway. OpenAI's Sora represents a significant advancement in text-to-video technology, offering unparalleled video generation capabilities. However, the responsible development and deployment of such powerful tools require careful consideration of potential societal and ethical implications. OpenAI's commitment to thorough safety assessments and collaboration with experts sets a positive precedent for the responsible advancement of generative AI technologies. Multiple sources, including VGC and Eurogamer, are reporting that Nintendo has informed publishers of a Q1 2025 release date for the new console, pushing it back from the earlier rumors of a fall 2024 launch. This delay could benefit developers, giving them more time to polish launch titles like the highly anticipated Metroid Prime 4. Some sources even claim to be developing Switch 2 games aimed for that early 2025 window. While not confirmed by Nintendo itself, this news suggests the Switch 2, or whatever its official name will be, could follow its predecessor's March 2017 release timeline. Remember, this is just a rumor, but for those eagerly awaiting the next generation of portable Nintendo magic, get ready to manage your expectations. Good news for iPhone gamers in Europe. Epic Games is bringing back Fortnite and its own app store, thanks to a new law in the EU. This law basically tells Apple it can't be picky about who gets to sell apps on iPhones anymore. Remember that whole fight Epic and Apple had over Fortnite and money? The EU said, nope, not cool, and now Epic gets to set up shop. So, Fortnite fans in Europe, get ready to download and pew-pew away. For folks in the US, it's not quite party time yet. The legal battle between Epic and Apple is still playing out, and Apple isn't giving in as easily as the EU made them. So, for now, Fortnite on iPhones remains a dream for American players. But hey, at least there's always Xbox Cloud Gaming or GeForce now, right? Xbox confirms bringing 4 existing games to PlayStation and Switch. Titles not revealed, but rumored to include Hi-Fi Rush, Sea of Thieves, Halo, and Gears of War. Games already on Xbox and PC for at least a year. Move aims to expand reach, drive business value, and invest in future iterations. Xbox Game Pass remains exclusive to Xbox consoles. New Xbox hardware and next-gen plans confirmed. Increased accessibility for players on other platforms. Potential boost to Xbox revenue and future game development. Might upset some Xbox loyalists expecting exclusivity. Microsoft to monitor impact of initial 4 games before deciding on further ports. Next-gen Xbox expected in 2028 with major technical leap. Xbox is expanding its reach by bringing select games to other platforms while maintaining its core strategy of first-party titles on Game Pass and continued investment in new hardware and next-gen experiences.